Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, this is going to be a Fashionova clothing haul. So I ain't even gonna hold y'all, we just gonna get right into the video. Alright y'all, so this is the first outfit. I'm wearing the bounce back parachute jogger in the color green. The size is a medium. I paid $7.48 for these pants. I'm pairing it with the New York Hustle or Get Hustled short sleeve tee, the gray combo color. The size is a small. I got the shirt for $14.99. These pants, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. They also have the adjustable string at the ankle, as you can see. So if you want to wear them up as like capris, you can. If you want to wear them down like so, you can. But yeah, so they're very comfortable, I can say. I'm gonna show y'all how they look on with some shoes in a minute. I'm about 5'1.5", 5'2". So on a taller person, I can say they may be short or high watered, but I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Alright, so this is my minute. So these are some Vans that I got, and I wanted to wear this outfit with the Vans. I think it goes cute with the Vans. So these are the Vans. As you can see, they sit like right above my ankle, even with the shoes on. So like I said, if you're a taller person, they may be high watered, but if you're a short person like myself, then yeah, they are cute. I think I like them, and yeah, like I said, whenever I gotta run some errands, they'll be cute to just throw on and go. This is another set that I put together. The shirt says big dreams, big booties, big stacks, period. The pants are the put it on repeat cargo pants in the color black, as you can tell. The size is medium, and the shirt is the living big graphic tee. The size is a small. The shirt was $4.98. The pants, I paid $9.98 for them. As y'all could tell, it was a big sale. So I got all of the stuff, so I want to say about $115. But anyway, so the pants has 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. I'm missing a pocket. 5 pockets. And I think it also has a back pocket. So I want to say about 6 pockets all together. I am short. Like I said, I'm about 5'1.5", 5'2". And as y'all can see, these pants are long on me. I have worn this outfit. I wore them with some all white Air Force Ones. They were still long, but I guess these days people are wearing long pants, so it don't really bother me. But if you don't like your pants to be long or maybe dragging on the floor kind of, then you may want to reconsider. But it didn't bother me, and I thought this outfit was cute. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with some shoes on. So like I said, this I got on my Air Forces, and this is how it looks. Should have tied the shoes up, but I didn't. But y'all can get it. I also pulled the pants up closer above my stomach. That way they take up some height. But if you don't want your pants up that high, you just want them to fit comfortable under the stomach, and that's how it looks. So next, so this is the next outfit. The pants are the Love to See It parachute jogger in the color pink, as you can tell, size medium. These pants were $13.05. The top is the Mickey and Pluto graphic t-shirt in the color white, size small, and I paid $7.60 for the shirt. I love these pants, y'all. They are like real comfortable. The material feels kind of, I don't want to say plastic, but I can't explain it. Anyways, the material is comfortable. As you can see, they have these slits right here. So even though it does be hot outside, I can still get a little wind, you know what I'm saying? A little wind coming through. So I don't get too hot. Even with these pants, you can also pull them up if you want to, like to your ankle or whatever. I meant to your leg or whatever, up your leg closer to your knee, or you can leave them down to your ankle, like so. And I'm gonna show y'all how this look with some shoes on. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear my blue chucks, as y'all can see, to the left, or if I'm gonna wear my forces to the right. Well, I'm saying I don't know if, but I'm just showing y'all 2 different shoe choices. But I ended up wearing my forces. But yeah, this is how it look with shoes on. So I mean, either shoe will go, but I think I just felt more comfortable with my forces on. But yeah, y'all, this is how this outfit looks. So y'all, this was my favorite outfit that I picked together in my head, but of course it looked a lot better with the model. As y'all can see, this crotch part in the middle is like definitely like way too big. I did get these pants in the size medium. By the way, they are the flyest in the city oversized cargo pants in the color beige. Like I said, I did get a medium. I don't know if I should have got a small or what, but they are like entirely too big in the middle. But I will be taking them up on my sewing machine to take out some of the crotch, and I'm gonna make a video on that as well. But yeah, these have like, I don't know, like a gazillion damn pockets. But I think these are real cute. I think I'm gonna put a picture in here so y'all can see how the pants look on the model versus how the pants look on me. The t-shirt that I got is a Barbie tee, of course. It's the Barbie logo graphic crop top in the color mocha, size small. These pants got like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10 pockets. I'm gonna show y'all how they look with shoes. So my first choice would be my pink chucks, as I think it look cute and to bring out the pink and the Barbie. But I could also wear my forces with it too. But I ain't wearing neither one of these, y'all, until I get this middle little situation situated, because I just don't like that. But I just wanted y'all to see how the outfit look, how the pants look, and I think that's cute. But we'll be back. So this next outfit is actually a set. It's called the Speed Racing Legging Set. Size small. I did get a small. I paid $11.98 for this set. As y'all can tell, it's leggings, of course, and then it's this racing top. I think the top is real cute, especially because y'all can see the little rhinestones on the side. Excuse my blue bra. I probably wear a black bra or a black tank top when I do wear this, but this is just for show and tell right now. But yeah, I'm loving the rhinestones around my arms. I think it's like very comfortable, especially for like the spring season. Of course, I'm getting my shoes so I can show y'all how they look with shoes and my shoe options of choice. So we either gonna go with the pink chuck or we gonna go with the blue chuck. I'm laughing at Araya, y'all. I don't know, can't remember what she said, but she's funny. I kind of feel like a gender reveal. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy, but yeah, either the pink chuck or the blue chuck, either or, y'all. So this right here is a set as well. It's called the Come Again tie-dye navy pants set. Color navy combo, size small. I paid $10.98. Excuse me. I paid $10.98 for this set. The pants are like extremely long, but what I ended up doing was tying them. I wish I could show y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna try to insert a picture or something to show y'all how I ended up tying them. But I ended up tying them, and it took away the length, and they actually were kind of cute. Like I said, I'm gonna show a picture or something. But I like this outfit. Of course, the body is bodying. It hugs all of your curves. And yeah, it just limits you in the right places. So I do love this set. I have worn it once. You could do it a little off the shoulder, little shindig, as you can see that I did. But yeah, y'all. So get into it. Alright, y'all. So these pants, I wanted some purple pants to go with these SpongeBob shoes that I got. So I ended up ordering these purple cargo pants. They are called the Made For You cargo pants. I got a size 5. The review said size down. I paid $10.98 for these pants. These pants have a lot of pockets as well, but I mean they're cargo pants, so what you expect. The only thing I don't like about these pants is the length. Like, they are like entirely too long. Like, I would have to wear heels, or even like some high heels, just to like get these pants off the floor. So I don't know, I might go in with my sewing machine and take some length off. I'm not sure. I mean, I do be sewing a little bit, but just a little bit. I ain't that experienced yet, but I'm gonna just show y'all how they look with some shoes. So yeah, y'all, these are like extremely long. I'm gonna have to, like I said, get my sewing machine, cut some off the bottom and just hem them back up. But just pray for me, y'all. I also thought about taking a rubber band and putting a rubber band around the ankle like that. Kind of remind me of Jabot jeans, but I don't think I want to do that because they remind me of Jabot jeans. But I don't know, I'm gonna just keep y'all updated, y'all. And last but not least, I have this romper. It is so cute, y'all. I wore this to a wedding. I dressed it up. I made it cute. I made it real for him. The name of this romper, hold on, let me see if I can find the name of it. Okay, so it's called the Half of Me jumpsuit, color cream combo, size small. I did get a small. Like I said, read the reviews before you buy. The review says the size down, so I did, and I only paid $6.91 for the jumpsuit. So yeah, like I said, I wore it to a wedding. I was real cute. It's very comfortable, y'all. It has the little belt, you see, that go around the waist. You can even take the belt off if you don't want the belt. You can lift the legs up, or you can leave it long like it is. As I said before, I'm like 5'1.5", 5'2". This is how it looks on me. So if you're a taller person, it may be shorter. But even if you are a taller person, you can wear them as capris, and I think they'll still be cute. So yeah, I definitely think that this is a buy. I'm not sure if the sale is still going on, but if it is, I really think I need to go and get this jumpsuit because it was so cute. They also had another color, I want to say black, but I just did the cream and the green because that's just what I thought I would look cute in. So that was the last outfit, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.